And I'm gonna drop it on your
flag.
See? Yeah, you're gonna be like 3 bar. Hold on, hopefully you go 3 bars.
Oh, that's good. 3 bars good for me.
You're 2 bar right now, so hold on.
Oh. It'll be fine. I'll be fine. His connection is already bad, and it's always like that. Don't worry about it. Yo, I'm a little high right now.
He's stunned right there.
Oh, one's in library. It's 2 burger, yo. So you got high and with the sleep, Anthony? Yeah, that's why I fell asleep.
Hey, 1 library.
Push up.
Just sit there, Zoom. Don't push up too far. We gotta come up first. Hallway. He's just sitting in the terminal. They might spawn security, watch out.
Oh, they spawn dreams, alright. The connection is straight. My bullets are registering like they're supposed to. On security. I just don't know where the fuck y'all live.
Come on, Oregon. Long haul, library, him. God, like, this is so gay, this map sometimes.
Reloading.
The only thing people do is just hide. He's stunned, right there on up. Plus, he's just sitting there. That's 3. Okay, one's in Burger Town. ANX. What team's ANX?
One watching Burger.
You can even see this kid. Yeah, that's 2, 3.
Oh, Burger. He's long haul. Oh, he's sitting right by in the corner of us. Yeah,
he's in terminal.
Oh, wow. Oh, if that was to happen, I would have laughed my ass. Yeah. Wow. If I had 3 bar right now, I'll be shitting.
I know, I just gotta warm up.
Oh wow, right in middle, right coming behind you, PiSToL. I'm pulling the Burger.
We have the enemy flag.
I know, you like my call out. Yeah.
Wow, he's giving him something right there. Thanks.
Pick up.
Hold on. We're gonna probably get a bad spawn here. Grab it. Oh shoot, hold on. Hey, hold on. Hey, watch hallway, watch library.
Enemy flag acquired.
I got dreams. They're coming plane right now. Take your time.
Yo, it's coming hallway. Please get him.
I can't. Hold on.
Yo, he's at the back. He might pull. Alright, you should. Wow, how does he do this shit? This is.
There's one back flag. He's just sitting there.
Yo, there's one top S key, and I think it's one going red.
Okay, he's in mid red.
You should have supposed to be hitting him, like, fuck. You're feeling red.
Okay, mid-red, he's going in plane. Yeah, once we play,
oh my... I'm camping it.
Once we play, dude, Lex maybe will host or something so that we all get 3 bars.
I stunned him.
That was embarrassing, even though you hit him.
Time's almost up.
Other one's right there. Nice, I just need to warm up. Once I warm up, I'll be fine.
Back security. Hey, back security, yo.
On.
And these kids are lucky. Swear to God. Finish shit. Not bad. Really fast.
Come on, I'm not playing this game.
Alright, so,
Capture the flag.
I'm
Capture
watching
the
Burger.
objective.
okay. Was this the innovate that was? Yeah, that's it.
Got one.
That's him, yeah. I hate that kid so much.
Yep, hallway, one. He's in cubby,
Man, why the f? There's
He's
one
on
at
terminal.
God.
Where's he at, Sam?
Oh my God, long haul.
Still on plane somewhere.
Wow, red room. He's not good. His now kid was on the SMG team. He's not good.
I'm playing.
Enemy flag.
Ah.
Changing mag. Target down.
Nope. In hamburger.
They're all hot.
Wow, okay, one's in terminal right now. You're good, Snatch. Just
Let's go.
One's in terminal.
Shut up.
Tossing stun grenade.
They're stunned burgers now.
Target down.
Oh, he's sitting head glitch.
Reloading.
Hey, yeah, Flex can host next game, and then we'll all be 3-bar.
Nah, you'll be full boss, man.
Target neutralized.
Got him.
Whoa.
Reloading.
Watch out, Flex. Stop, I'm stuck.
Wow, I was looking back there the whole time, and I like how you...
Stay down, pull.
Alright, pull.
Come on, plane. Come through out.
Innovate, what are you
What the
doing?
hell?
It is fucking awful. What are you doing, Innovate?
Mission accomplished.
These kids are all hosts. I'm not playing on all hosts. Yo, go host now.
All host, he's yellow bar.
I'm not gonna play with Randbob.
What is he talking about? All host.
I'll be right back.